Major funding for Mike Hack the Science Kid is provided in part by the National Science Foundation, supporting education and research in science, mathematics, and technology, and by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by the annual financial support from viewers like you. Thank you.
Coming up next, exclusive, never-before-seen actual footage of a creature thought to be a myth. Yes, it's...
Mike Hack the Science Kid! Mike Hack the Science Kid! Mike Hack the Science Kid! Science Whiz! Mike Hack the Science Kid! The new show is a property of Mike Hack the Science Kid! Mike Hack the Science Kid!
Brought to you by the all-new alien Autopsy doll from Hoax Co.
I will now open the door with my mind. I am influencing physical objects around me with the power of my brain. You think I did? Or did it just look that way? You've been saying in science, extraordinary claims require extraordinary proof. Things like psychic projections, visitors from outer space, physical objects passing through people's bodies, or things that just seem to defy the laws of science. See, scientists try to understand the world. That's what we do. When we see or hear about something wild or unusual, you check it out. It's science! So I'm now going to make a wild, way out, extraordinary fun. The world is round. This is a wild claim, because if you look at the ocean or lake, it looks flat. Look at that. Look how straight and flat that horizon is. It looks flat, doesn't it? See, it looks like a table or a board. Now once in a while you might see mountains or hills, but those are just like little bumps on what looks like a flat earth. Here's what happened. People noticed that the place that we seem to be living, but every now and then cast a shadow on the moon. And when they did, that shadow was always round. Now the only shape of that always cast around shadow is a ball. Take a look at this. Curvature of the Earth Horizon Model of Science. And this blue stuff is like the ocean. And this boat, well, it's like a boat. Anyway, watch. The ships sail away. They don't disappear all at once. Now first, the bottom will disappear. Buildings disappear into the horizon. See, the bottom of the ship is gone. Now you can see midway up and then the whole thing disappears. Now ships came back. They didn't fall off the table. So people realized that the world is curved. I mean, it's a big curve, but it's curved. So the process of testing claims the world is flat, the world is round, is what we call science. Now, if you have a claim that can't be tested, that's what we call pseudoscience. The difference between pseudoscience and regular science is whether or not you can test it. The flat earth, well, that didn't stand up to test. The round earth did. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary proof. The world is round. I'm out of here. Devious effect, we're going for the extras. People say seeing is believing, but it depends on the quality of what you're looking at, how good it is. For many chemicals, this wallflower was enough to make people think that the rock was monster. Sort of seems certain that lived in a place.
Okay, well we're going to walk in here so we can find the body.
I want more evidence than just this wall paper. I think how about another better quality photo? Sure enough, it turns out that this wallflower is a myth that people possessed in 1993 to take a photo in this black clay evidence that can see something. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you need a lot more than that. It's not about you or for me. That's a lotus mustard. Yeah, I mean... I weigh a ton. Please, consider the following. I'll prove it to you with the scale of science, see? A ton, 1,000 kilograms. I tell you the story of how I made it in a ton. I'm afraid you might not believe it. I made an extraordinary claim. If I provided you with extraordinary proof, see, one of the big ideas in science is that experiment can be someone else can do the same thing and get the same result. The same result. So if I weighed a ton on that idea, I should make a ton on my next one. Or even your scale. So let's try it. On my scale at home, I weigh 50 plus 20, 70 kilograms. That's not even close to a compass. Even a tenth of a ton. And this one is that says 70 kilograms. This scale, which is your scale, says 263.8 pounds. That's the same as 50 kilograms. See, if they all stay the same, then they're not even close. So we saw it on that big dial in the lab of breaking furniture. See, that wasn't an extraordinary proof because the experiment was we couldn't repeat it. Thank you for joining me on it. Spooky? You want to talk about spooky stuff? Well, here it is. Come here and look. This is an Edison refractor. It's my camcorder. It's 10 meters long. It's got a lens this big. Okay, and you can look through it every night. For 100 years, people have been looking through it, and they haven't seen one. Not one! Alien spacecraft? Okay, zero. Goose egg. Nada. Okay, every night people look through at pictures and pictures and pictures, and bet they see one alien spacecraft. No! So that doesn't mean they're not aliens. There's got to be aliens, okay? Because there are 50 billion galaxies. Each galaxy has what? That'll say millions and millions of Mars. But the center aliens come here and cover with towels, tape people up into their spaceship, and hypnotize him. Nobody notices with this thing. This is not extraordinary proof, okay? Extraordinary claim? Aliens come here? Extraordinary proof? We don't have it. This is a real science. This is what's really cool.